Every morning, long before people wake up, the sun begins sending an incredible amount of energy toward Earth. In just 1 hour, the sunlight reaching our planet contains more energy than the entire world uses in a year. Yet for most of human history, this enormous source of power simply warmed the ground and lit up the sky. Today, engineers have found a way to capture a tiny fraction of that sunlight and transform it directly into electricity, without moving parts, burning fuel, or producing harmful emissions. What appears to be an ordinary blue or black panel sitting on a rooftop is actually a highly advanced electronic device, capable of converting light into electrical energy using the fundamental properties of atoms. The story begins nearly 150 million kilometers away at the center of the sun. Deep inside its core, hydrogen atoms continuously fuse together under extreme temperature and pressure, releasing enormous amounts of energy. This energy slowly travels outward through the layers of the sun before finally escaping into space as electromagnetic radiation. Part of that radiation reaches Earth in the form of visible light and other types of solar energy. After traveling through space for about 8 minutes, millions of tiny packets of light, known as photons, strike the surface of solar panels installed on rooftops, fields, deserts, and buildings around the world. At first glance, a solar panel appears to be a single solid sheet of glass. In reality, it is made up of many individual solar cells connected together. A typical residential solar panel contains dozens of these cells, arranged in rows. Each cell functions as a miniature power generator, and together, they produce enough electricity to power homes, businesses, and even large industrial facilities. The most important material inside almost every solar cell is silicon. Silicon is one of the most abundant elements on Earth, and is found naturally in sand and quartz. However, the silicon used inside solar panels must be purified to an extremely high level before it can be used in electronics. Once purified, it is carefully processed into thin wafers that form the heart of every solar cell. Pure silicon alone does not generate electricity when exposed to sunlight. Engineers first modify it through a process called doping. Tiny amounts of other elements are added to different layers of the silicon crystal. One layer receives atoms that contain extra electrons, while another receives atoms that have fewer electrons than silicon. This creates two different regions with opposite electrical properties. Where these two layers meet, a special boundary known as the p-n junction is formed. This invisible junction is the true engine of a solar cell. Even before sunlight arrives, an electric field naturally exists across this boundary. That electric field will later guide electrons in one direction, allowing electricity to flow through an external circuit. Now the real conversion process begins. As sunlight strikes the surface of the solar panel, billions of photons penetrate the protective glass and enter the silicon cells beneath. If a photon carries enough energy, it collides with a silicon atom and transfers its energy to one of the atom's electrons. The energized electron breaks free from its atom, leaving behind an empty position known as a hole. Without the electric field inside the solar cell, these free electrons would quickly recombine with the holes, and no useful electricity would be produced. Instead, the electric field immediately pushes the free electrons toward one side of the cell, while forcing the holes toward the opposite side. This separation of electric charges creates a voltage difference across the solar cell. Metal contacts placed on both sides of the cell collect these moving electrons. When an external wire connects the front and back contacts, the electrons begin flowing through the circuit. This movement of electrons is electric current. As long as sunlight continues striking the solar cell, new electrons continue being released, separated, and driven through the circuit, producing a constant flow of electricity. Every individual solar cell produces only a small amount of electricity. To generate useful amounts of power, dozens of cells are connected together inside a single panel. Multiple panels are then connected into larger groups called arrays. A residential rooftop may contain 20 or more panels, while large solar farms can contain hundreds of thousands of panels spread across vast areas. The electricity produced directly by solar panels is known as direct current, or DC electricity. In direct current, electrons flow continuously in one direction. However, homes and electrical grids use alternating current, or AC electricity, where the direction of current changes many times every second. This means the electricity generated by the panels cannot be used directly inside most buildings. To solve this problem, the electricity flows into another critical device called the inverter. The inverter acts as the bridge between the solar panels and the electrical system of the home or power grid. Using sophisticated electronic circuits, it converts direct current into alternating current, while carefully matching the voltage and frequency required by the electrical network. Modern inverters perform far more than simple conversion. They constantly monitor the performance of every panel, adjust operating conditions to maximize energy production, detect electrical faults, and automatically disconnect the system if abnormal conditions occur. Many homeowners can even monitor their solar production in real time through smartphone applications connected to the inverter. Once converted into alternating current, the electricity first powers appliances inside the building. Lights, refrigerators, computers, air conditioners, televisions, and countless other devices immediately begin using the electricity produced by the rooftop panels. If the solar system generates more electricity than the building currently needs, the excess power can be sent back into the electrical grid, where it supplies energy to nearby homes and businesses. When clouds pass overhead, or night falls, solar panels naturally produce less electricity or stop generating power altogether. During these periods, electricity is automatically supplied by the electrical grid or by battery storage systems if they are installed. This seamless transition happens so quickly that most people never notice the change. Battery storage has become an increasingly important part of modern solar systems. Instead of sending excess electricity directly into the grid during sunny hours, batteries store that energy for later use. After sunset, or during power outages, the stored electricity can continue supplying the building without interruption. In this way, sunlight collected during the day can still provide electricity long after the sun has disappeared below the horizon. Many people believe that solar panels require extremely hot weather to generate electricity. Surprisingly, this is not true. Solar panels depend on sunlight rather than heat. In fact, very high temperatures can slightly reduce their efficiency. This is why solar panels often perform exceptionally well on cool, sunny days. Countries with relatively cold climates still generate significant amounts of electricity from solar power because they receive plenty of sunlight even when temperatures remain low. Another common misconception is that solar panels stop working whenever clouds appear. Although thick clouds reduce the amount of sunlight reaching the panels, they do not completely block it. Diffuse sunlight continues producing electricity, although at a lower level than under clear skies. Modern solar systems continue generating power under a wide range of weather conditions. Engineers carefully position solar panels to maximize energy production throughout the year. The angle of the panels, their orientation toward the sun, nearby buildings, trees, and seasonal changes in the sun's path all influence how much electricity can be generated. Large solar farms often use tracking systems that slowly rotate the panels throughout the day, allowing them to follow the movement of the sun and capture more energy. Maintaining solar panels is surprisingly simple because they contain very few moving parts. Regular cleaning removes dust, leaves, bird droppings, and other debris that could block sunlight. Periodic inspections ensure that electrical connections remain secure and that the panels continue operating safely for decades. Many modern solar panels are designed to produce electricity reliably for 25 years or more, with only minimal maintenance. The technology continues improving every year. Researchers are developing more efficient solar cells capable of converting a larger percentage of sunlight into electricity. New materials, better manufacturing techniques, advanced coatings, and improved electronic controls continue increasing performance while reducing costs. Solar power has become one of the fastest-growing sources of electricity worldwide because of these continuous engineering advancements. Imagine standing on the roof of a house just after sunrise. The first rays of sunlight strike the smooth surface of the solar panels. Invisible photons begin entering millions of silicon cells. Electrons are released from atoms, electric fields guide them into organized flow, and electricity immediately begins traveling through wires toward the inverter. Within seconds, that electricity powers lights, kitchen appliances, computers, and air conditioners inside the building. Any extra energy flows into the electrical grid, helping supply power to neighboring homes. All of this happens silently, automatically, and without burning a single drop of fuel. The solar panel itself never creates energy. Instead, It captures a small portion of the sunlight already reaching Earth and converts it directly into electricity through the remarkable behavior of electrons inside silicon atoms. By combining materials science, semiconductor physics, electrical engineering, and the endless energy of the sun, solar panels have become one of the most important technologies driving the world's transition toward clean and renewable energy.